Hello. Welcome to my tutorial to make this beautiful plushy elephant. So all you need is my pattern, which is going to be in second video. You will cut all pieces from that pattern and then sew them in the way how I am just showing in this video. So basically hands are going all around, body part is going to be sewn in middle, this is his head. It's also going to be served around. This is his back of head. So we also just serve it as I just showed you. And ears. With ears you have to be careful and make sure that fabric is facing to each other, because it's very easy to make this kind of mistakes. Once when it is facing each other, just serve it on these round edges and leave that straight piece open so you can turn it on. So this is how it looks like when everything is sewed together. For example, this is his feet. It still has to be finished. As you see, bottom is still missing. This is his face. It's going to be sewed with this piece, but I will show you how to do it. Once when everything is sewed, you can turn it out, for example, hands. I think it's the only piece which can be done at this time. And now we can start to put elephant together. I just have to say that I didn't choose best fur because it was very thick and it was very difficult to work with this. So I was struggling, and maybe I will even redo it, this pattern, to make sure it looks much nicer. But for now, you are just going to sew ears with back of your head like that. And you will have to hide all that part in a piece which is going to be front of your face and sew it around. As I said, because I used this very thick fur, it was very difficult. And even on body part, I left open space to be able to sew head together with body, but I wasn't able to do it at the end because that fur was so thick that it was impossible. Okay, so this is how it looks like when it is done. Of course, I left that open space, but doesn't matter, I just sew it later with hands. So once when your hands are sewed together with body, you can start to see shape of your elephant. Even head, it's starting to look really nice. It took me ages to get that nose, turn it out on elephant, and I have to use that tweezers, as you see, because it was impossible. I think it was because of that that thick fur. It was very difficult. But now, as you can see, we are going to attach the feet to body. I really recommend to measure this so you have them in same position. I also used to use these pins so they are just staying on the same place while I'm sewing them. So this is how it looks like when they are already attached. And now we are going to add the bottom part. So for doing that, you need to turn it out like all that feet and inside. And you will take just that round part and sew it on the bottom. So this is how it looks like when it is sewed together. It's starting to look nice. So it can be feel it now. As you can see, it's starting to look like really fluffy and nice. And for head. For head, we need to apply eyes before we are able to do anything with that. So as you can see, I was just trying to figure out when it's going to look nice. I didn't want to put it like eyes far from each other, but also didn't put it like very close to each other. But I think I managed to do it like in a nice way. Only thing is, because of that fur, it was really difficult to make it nice and even visible, the eyes. I have to even like cut some fur around that eyes part. But it definitely starting to look nice. Only thing which I want to say, if you are making this for kids, please make sure that eyes are safely placed there. So please use even like gun with glue or even sew around from inside to make sure that they are not going to be easily unattached. And then I basically just did handmade stitches and attached head to body. As I said before, it was impossible to do it from back, which was open on the body part. So hopefully you like it. Please subscribe and bye. See you later.